Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. Today I have got a Target haul for you guys. Some things came from the Target dollar spot. I do have a few things that did not come from the Target dollar spot that I will share with you at the end of this video. So if you're interested in seeing what I picked up at Target this week, go ahead and stick around for this video. Alright, so we will go ahead and we will start with what might be my favorite find. It was not the Target dollar spot. I actually found it in the men's section. I'm gonna go on a little bit of a rant here. You guys let me know if you feel the same way in the comments or if you feel the opposite of me, but I love the clothing in the women's section and I would buy a lot of it. But there are a lot of things that I'm really excited about, and then I get up to it and I take it off the rack and look at it and it's short. Like, not even necessarily a crop top, but just like short. Everything is short in the women's section right now. It drives me crazy. So I will oftentimes go over to the men's section just to see what they have, and I actually found two things in the men's section that I love, and either one of these could definitely be worn by a woman or a girl or whatever. So I'll start with the first one, and it's the thing that I'm wearing. It's this t-shirt right here, and it is actually Toy Story related. It has the Pizza Planet aliens on it, and it says, "Whoa." You guys know on the movie when they say that. So I thought that this was so incredibly cute because when I was a kid, my sister and I, and then later on my brother after he was born, we would always go and look at Christmas lights with the family, and we would always go, ooh, ah. So I love this, the way it just says, ooh. And you guys know, if you've seen the movie, as I'm saying it, you are hearing the way that the little Pizza Planet aliens say it. So I was so excited to find this shirt. It was $10, which I thought was a really good deal. It's lightweight and it's really comfortable, and it's kind of, I guess I could say soft, like for a t-shirt, it's soft. So definitely be on the lookout for these. Target had a whole section of Christmas related t-shirts back in the men's section, so definitely go and check that out. So as promised, I'll go ahead and start with what I found at Bullseye's Playground. If you guys are new to my channel, I do have other hauls from Target Bullseye's Playground, and I found a ton of things on those videos, so I will link those below. Go check those out to see what else I found on other days or other weeks. Today I didn't find a whole lot in Bullseye's Playground. I'm not finding a whole lot of new stuff. You guys let me know if you are or if you aren't. I have gone pretty consistently the past 3 weeks, and I feel like it's like the same old stuff. But I did pick up a couple items this week from Bullseye's Playground. I'll go ahead and start with the first one, and they are gift card holders. So I thought this one was really cute. It comes in a pack of 4. So the first one here, it says Annual Reindeer Games established in 1939. So you can put a gift card down in that. And then the other one I really liked as well. It says the stockings were hung by the chimney with care. So if you know you're going to be giving out gift cards this holiday season, these are so cute to pick up. The package was only $1, and they did have some other prints of the gift card holders, but this one was my favorite. So definitely go and check out your different options. I, of course, thought the reindeer games, so cute. I loved it. And then the other 3 items that I picked up from the Target dollar spot were these vinyl sheets. I really like to buy these. I bought a black one and I've already used it all up for $1. That's a pretty good price. You can find them at Michael's for about the same price. So I picked up a red, a green, and a black to do some DIYs with. I have an idea in mind for these 2 already, and I think I actually have an idea for this one as well. So I've been doing a lot of DIYs lately. If you guys are interested in that, definitely subscribe if you're not already subscribed, and be on the lookout for those. These are only $1. I don't know if I mentioned that or not. So I have 3 more items that I picked up. The last 3 items were not from the Target dollar spot. 2 of them are Christmas related, and the last one is my other item that I found in the clothing section. So I'll go ahead and I will start with this one. I found this, it was really, really close to the Target dollar spot. It was like right, oh, my section has like, or my Target has like a little section for the things that they're, I don't know the word, like marketing at that time. Like when the Vineyard Vines collection's there, they put it in this area. When they had the Lily Pulitzer, they put it in that section. So at my store, that's where I found these, was in that section. And it is these socks. You guys know they have socks in the Target dollar spot, but these are way better quality. and they were only $3. So that is a Target dollar spot price point. Except for lately, they've been marking their prices up like crazy. But I did not notice until I got home. This is a pair of socks, but it's actually a gift card holder as well. It says insert gift card here, so you can stick your gift card and it will sit right here if you want to give them a gift card and a pair of socks. So the print on this one is a unicorn riding it looks like a toboggan of some sort, so like a sled or a snowboard. I think it's a toboggan, but these are so soft, so soft. They're really great quality, and I think they're so stinking cute. So I will definitely be wearing these. They look like they will barely come up like to your ankles. They're not no-shows, but they're not like knee-highs either. They are from the Wonder Shop collection at Target, and it just says women's super soft socks slay into the holidays is this one. So it says it'll fit shoe sizes 4 to 10. Be on the lookout for these. They had a lot of different prints, and if you're giving a gift card, this is perfect, super cute. In that little section, I also found this right here. It is a bath fizzer, and I have a lot of bath fizzers, so I really don't need any more, but this thing is one of those, and I hope it does this in the bathtub. It's got like the gold in it. So you guys know what I'm talking about. If you've seen those bath bombs you put in the water and then your water turns like gold, I'm hoping that's what this little guy does. But not only that, but it is gingerbread scented, and smelling it, it does. It smells like the holidays. It smells so good. I don't even know if I'd really say gingerbread, but it definitely smells like the holidays. This one says gingerbread bath bomb. It has a little bear on the front. And again, it's the gold. So we will see if this actually turns my bath water gold. I really hope it does. Just, I don't know, I've never had done one of those gold bath bombs before. Again, this is by the Wonder Shop by Target, and it was $2.50. And the last item I got at Target this week, I was so excited to find this. I was walking around the men's section. I had just found this, and then I was walking around the men's section, and I was about to walk out of it. I just happened to go this way. Thank God that I did. And this guy right there, sitting waiting on me, it is a Sherpa, but it's camo. And like I said, I found it in the men's section. I will give you guys a shot of me wearing it right here so you can take a look at what it looks like when you have it on. But I had kind of been looking at one of these on Amazon, and they're pretty pricey. I paid $25 for this. It is in a size extra small, and when I'm a pretty tiny person. I weigh 110 pounds. When I was wearing it, it couldn't have been any smaller without me feeling like it wasn't fitting me. So I went ahead and picked up the size extra small. I definitely could have gone with a small, but my store only had this one, and then they had like an extra large left. So my assumption is that these are going to go really, really fast. They did have some other colors, I believe, as well. But it has the hood. It is by a Target brand. It's the Target brand Original Use. So be on the lookout for this. I wore this today shopping, and it's pretty close to freezing outside, and I stayed nice and toasty warm. It was really, really comfortable. So I'm really happy that I bought this. Be on the lookout for it. It is super cute. Okay, you guys, so that was my Target haul this week. I hope you saw something that you liked. I know it was a very small haul and not a whole lot of things from the Target dollar spot. Again, let me know in the comment section, are you finding any new stuff at your Target dollar spot? I have not been. I'm hoping they get some new stuff in after Thanksgiving. That's kind of my thoughts, hopefully. So, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up. And if you're not already subscribed to my channel, I would love it if you would subscribe. I hope you guys have a great day. Bye!